So what is this positive impact rating on which GIM has been rated top of the world? PIR is the first worldwide large rating which looks at what is best for the world rather than what is best in the world. So what they're looking at is, are you teaching things that are important for society? Are you teaching things that are important for business? Are you a responsible business school and a top quality business school? GIM is really happy that we are there right at the top there at level 5. One other good part about this rating, it is by the students for the students. All the information is given by the students and then it's validated by PIR. There are 7 different parameters that are put under 3 broad heads. Right? One of the heading is energizing. Under energizing, there are 2 components. One is looking at the governance structure, and second is looking at the culture of the institution. And under governance structure, I think in India at least, it has the most unique governance model. Whilst we are a private institution, we don't have a owner, we don't have a particular investor. Everything is done by the institute for the institute. We are completely not for profit. We have a society that runs only one institution, that's GIM. We have a board. The board will have 7 members who get elected from this particular society. And we have other eminent people that we bring from outside, including representatives of the government, representatives of AICT, representatives of our faculty, representatives of our alumni, and eminent people from industry and from society. None of the society members or the board members get any money except the executives who work for the institute. There is no sitting fee. There is nothing at all, and that's a unique model of governance. I don't know of any other institute that runs like this. In terms of culture, we have a very transparent, open culture. The good part about GIM is it's complete meritocracy. We don't have a management quota. Influence doesn't work. If my children have to get admission to GIM, it doesn't matter I'm the director or the chairman or a member of the board. It just is that if they make it through merit, they make it. If they don't make it through merit, they don't make it. We have highly productive researchers, we have outstanding teachers, and we have people who do great quality of service because of the governance model that we have at the institute, and because we have this culture of meritocracy, of academic freedom. There is no boss in this place. Everybody owns the institute.